What's up, guys?
How's it going?
So we made it to Snoring and Exploring, which is an event by us, and we go every year. And
Near us, not by us.
by, near,
Yeah.
close enough. And we're watching a lightning storm now.
Yeah, we got here and it said caution severe weather, so.
Yeah, it's all right. We're gonna tough it out and stay down here. And we already ate some food. We're gonna have some fajitas later.
Chicken fajitas?
Yeah, or turkey. Did we get turkey or chicken? No, we did get chicken.
Yeah, ground chicken.
So yeah, we're gonna do some wheeling tomorrow, some wheeling Sunday, all on the property, maybe some off the property, but
Might go to the bathtub, maybe.
we'll show you guys. And yeah, it's a little private property, but it's good fun.
Yeah.
So
I feel better now.
we'll check you in the video.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Woo! Well, we slept to a symphony of frogs last night.
Yeah, there had to have been at least 30.
There's
Right here.
right there. And one would ribbit, and then 10 would respond.
Yeah.
It's like back and forth all night long.
Yeah, I wish I had that much luck with dating, but.
Right? But yeah, so didn't sleep that well, but I'm still excited.
Oh yeah, I'm pumped.
Getting-
It's been a long time coming.
Getting the coffee in us. We got our iced coffee going this morning.
Yep.
We're gonna get pumped up, and yeah, we've been working hard on the XJ and the Nissan, and
Yeah, actually mainly. The Nissan was easy compared.
yeah, but that's got the biggest. Woo. Yeah, so
Big change.
big change. Yep.
So we're gonna have a full day of wheeling today. We're gonna hit the trails around 10 o'clock. Drivers meetings at 9 or so, and then yeah, off into the woods. Should be a little swampy. We got a decent amount of rain yesterday, but I think it'll be fun. We're all gonna have a good time.
Yep. They I've been to this event 5 times, so I guess I'm a trail leader. So they've been following me. That's kind of scary.
Yeah.
Well, I got Box on my side. He's the main navigator of our group. He's really gonna be leading from one vehicle back.
I can do it from anywhere.
But we're gonna get out there and see what these people can do. We got a good group with us. We got our group with us, and then some extra people, and we're gonna see how wild we get today. Let's do it! Ah!
pump it up. Just take it slow. Got it.
Stay this way. Woo! Whoa! Oh! You don't need that. Stay to this side, especially with the tent.
Yeah, like come way over this way.
You're good.
Yep.
Finally made it out in the woods after it.
Yeah.
How's the exterior doing?
It feels great. I got a little popping in the front end, but I think it's just some interference from a smashed subframe.
Yeah, we got a little quarrel with getting our group together, but we're out here in the woods now, and
Yeah, we got 11 rigs, so
yeah.
make sure she's getting through that.
Stay this way when you come over this tree. You might diff out on that. Come, actually, try and get your tire on that rock, and it might lift you over. Oh, you're diffed out. Yep, stay this way. There you go. Nailed it. Tree. Oh, you might have it. You got it. Sick. Yeah.
So much better. So much better.
Caught on the root, on the stump. Locker and you, yeah. Keep it like that. Yep. Now straighten it out a little. Right there, yep. Straighten it out as you come over that rock. Nice and easy, but you'll pop up and over it. Yeah, now towards driver if you want. There you go. Perfect. Stay that way. You can even come to me a little if you need to. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
I think I'm getting new dips.
That's what they're made for, dragging over stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I had all the drip marks on the bottom of mine for paint. Just wipe it off.
I gotta trade these in for the other one.
Oh, do you? You gotta trade them in. That's fine.
I'll rebuild them.
Slightly used. Slightly. Yep. You even come to me a little bit. Come, yeah, there you go. Come to me. You're hard on that tree. Hold on. I think you got it. You'll come down. Yup. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sick. Nice. So Box is having some clicking noises on his Xterra, and what did we find out, Box?
My upper ball joint, not tight. Try not to fucking destroy the boot on it.
Does that help? Does that help?
No, nothing broke.
You gotta go forward with it? Oh, there it is. That moved a lot.
Yeah, it did.
That's your noise for sure. You want a hammer?
I just loosened it too. No.
What's it gotta be in the middle?
No, I'm just trying to match the other side. Pretty much all.
Pretty much all the way what, forward?
You want to sign that late? or-
Yep, I got you. Where do you want it?
That's good right there.
Oh, it's just coming off?
It's just loose
Yeah.
there.
Oh, okay.
I got some Loctite too if we want to tighten it up later with some Loctite. You want a big croissant wrench?
Croissant.
Let's do it. That shouldn't go anywhere.
Croissant wrench, any size. Oh yeah. Yep. Stick like that. Yeah, there you go. Come a little. Yep. Come a little this way. Yep. Stay right on that line. That's all right. It's just your frame. They're pretty strong. Yep. Keep that way. A little more passenger now. Yeah. Yep. Woo! Killing it.
Yep, you're good.
Yeah, you can straighten it out a little. You can go a little more passenger and try and go over that. There you go. Yep. Oh. I'm in a splash zone. Nice. Stick. Yep. Nice. It's much easier to go over the rock than under the rock. Check out my GoPro. It got ran over. Box found it for me.
GoPro got run over by a Cherokee.
Yes. Wheeling out here in the woods. Yup. Nice. Weather report. It's raining. So, and we're reeling. And there's rocks. Oh. Okay, all we can see is headlights. Moving to the side. It's a drop off down there, hey. So there's that.
Where's the obstacle?
What?
Look, Ma, don't keep.
Look, Ma, not even trying. Heck yeah.
Open, baby.
Open. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, a little bit of an angle there. Come on, Biscuit. Come here. Come here. Joe, making it look easy. Oh. Hey, you got your rear locker on? Huh? You push button?
Yeah. I don't know if it's working. My light's not on.
Oh, sure it's working.
I keep looking for love, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
look at that.
Finally, after years and years of no radiator skid plate, I
Needed one today?
yeah.
Dude, you needed a new radiator.
Yeah, a little bit.
I mean, I guess kind of, this is great. We're gonna be wheeling tomorrow, and it's gonna be awesome and dry.
Maybe some night wheeling. You never know.
Ooh.
Do another radiator.
Ooh, another, yeah, definitely.
This one's got a warranty.
This, oh, look at that. Are they open tomorrow?
Probably. It's O'Reilly.
Oh, yeah. It's, oh, really?
Yeah, they had this one in 2 hours.
2 hours.
I called them at like 2:30, and they're like, "Yeah, we'll have it at 4." Fuck yeah.
All right. Let's get her in there, bud.
Yeah.
So it's day 2.
Yeah.
Radiator fixed.
Yep. Yep.
It's
Beautiful.
sunny out today, so we're gonna get some good action. They had a pretty good fire last night. We had our own fire.
Mm-hmm. No, we didn't.
No, I mean, we didn't have our own fire. Biscuit's ready to go. And yeah,
We're ready to go.
we're gonna try and do some more film today since it's not pouring on us.
Yeah, yesterday was fun but miserable. They're really, you'll see. We got some shots from in the cab, and we got a few shots here and
It
there.
was pretty
so.
wet. I mean, yeah, I got towels on everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. He had half doors on, so
It was still fun.
yeah.
Always fun.
But this is everyone was camping over there. They got a little pavilion over here, camping over there. It's a pretty good event. But yeah, we're gonna get to it today. Heck yeah, sister. Woo! Up and over. Oh, it's muddy. Oh, that's the muddy rock.
No, your radio always does it.
Yeah, it's the radio.
Straighten up, easy. Straighten up, easy. Yep. Keep coming on that line. Not even gonna touch the rock. Alright, you wanna try that other spot again? Here, I wanna back up. It's bossy. It's bossy. Very bossy.
Oh, that's not reverse. That's fifth again.
There you go. Yep. That driver. Yep. Come towards me. We're gonna start falling in this hole in a second. Your rear axle is picking up a rock. Back up a little bit, Birch. Get him. The ridge over, if it'll let you. Now full passenger and yeah.
Yeah, you can come just over the edge on that. There you go. Yeah, it's just...
Alright, get me out of this mess.
Alright.
I try backing up in full drive. Little more driver as you come down. Coming down onto both. Yep.
Drop it all the way down.
Oh yeah. What rock?
I don't think I got that.
it's a little gnarly up over there. Yep. Perfect. Can start coming down. Oh, oh yeah. Butter, baby. Butter. Hey, bump. Sneezes molasses.
We're not over it yet.
Oh?
No? I thought I was gonna hit bumper.
No, dude, you didn't. What are you, an XJ?
As you come up, turn this way just a little bit. Yep. Keep coming, you're good. Go more, driver. Nice and gentle. You're gonna come down pretty hard.
Easy.
Nice.
Oh.
Stay driver. Stay driver. Yep.
Yes.
Coming down, nice and easy.
You did that before, didn't you?
See that on the tire right there on the rock? You're the farthest wet mark. She's wide. School bus status.
Yeah, you're on a good line. I'll go more this way, just a little bit. Yep, right there.
It's
coming off.
wide too.
Yep. Keep coming on that line. Turn passenger a little bit. Yep. You're gonna come down. Yep, keep coming. You're good. You're good. You're good. Stay on that line. Stay a little passenger.
Yeah.
Coming down in the front. Once you start coming down, or once you get down on the front, just turn towards me a little bit. Yep, start turning towards me. Down at the same time.
Coming down passenger first.
Alright, passengers coming down first.
Golden.
Yep.
Joe's just got a third gear wheelie over this thing.
Third or fourth gear?
Oh, I thought you were talking how many cylinders it's firing on.
Oh yeah.
Coming down. Coming down. I don't think I need to tell you.
Huh. It just sounds like it's running rough.
Yeah, it's got the same thing it was doing yesterday. It did it yesterday too, and then went away.
Weird. Little rev limiter, 4.0 trick?
Misfire.
Maybe not.
Little rev limiter for
Got the misfire.
This is some pretty nice trail. It's definitely gotten chewed up over the years. This is, again, the 4th year coming here. But we're gonna go hit the rock garden and yeah, see you there. First idea.
Here?
You come at it like this,
Yeah.
keep your ass end back that way, come at it like this, and then try to walk over, come up, driver.
As long as I don't slide this way once I hit that rock and the rear end goes in this way.
Yeah, you might have to try and get your passenger up and around and hook the outside of that rock with the inside of your passenger. Ooh, a little bit of door.
You're close to your pinion, so.
Yeah, keep it full passenger. Nah, sitting you right down on the frame rail.
Can I back out of this?
Yeah, you can back out right there. Might get to use your gas tank skid. Yep, nice and easy, nice. It's like right at the, yeah.
Nice sparkly paint. Yep, up. Try that, try that. You might climb that tree. No, no. Just getting caught on the bumper. You need a tiny bit more. You need to go that way a tiny bit more. Right there. Oh, yeah.
Rear locker.
Okay, okay, okay. Hold on.
You're gonna belly a little. Oh, it's picking up on the back.
Oh. Woo! Lifting a tire.
Oh, I got a crowd behind me too.
Yeah, you got a crowd behind you too. Full judgment. Oh my God. Oh my God. Rocking heavier than it looks. Shoot better. Shoot better. Oh, okay. Yup.
Yep.
Yup. Come this way. Towards me.
Oh God.
You're all right.
I can't turn because of that rock.
You can get on top of it and push it back in the hole. Back up.
Back up, see if you can reverse it into the hole there. Yup, yup. Now back up onto it. Yup. There you go. You can drive as much as you can. Yup, yup, yup.
Use that bead lock.
Oh yeah. It wants it so bad. Oh, oh,
Alright, let me out here.
You need new boxers? You good?
Maybe he is like fast.
Are you? Maybe he is. It's still going. All right. Trying to back off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming up right here. Yep. Keep coming, yep. Yep. Yep, come towards me. See if you can kind of pop over it. Yep, yep. Looks like you're getting traction. Your driver, your passenger.
I would like to get my back tire this way a little bit.
All right, try and come right up this. Oh shit! Try it.
Oh, it's okay. Your dad's okay. He's okay.
That's it though, you're almost there. All right, you're pretty far over this way, so just be careful. Hey, it cleared up.
Hey, Joe, hold on.
Dad, are you okay?
On the radio.
I dropped it.
I'm gonna fix my evac pants on.
It's a good spot to do it. What do you need anything, Joe?
No, I think it just popped off.
Oh, and you got yourself a light with the camera there. You go.
I can see what I'm doing in all the room in the world.
Well, you got rid of your evac canister and started running better?
No.
Oh yeah. Dude, you crawl now. You're a crawler. You just... Yep. Stay pointed towards the driver. Okay, whoop. Real slow. Stay driver. Coming down pretty good on this side. Yep, yep. You're gonna hit... Yeah, there you go. Yes, sir. Oh, oh. Little passenger. Look at that, huh, Box? Oh my gosh.
That was pretty cool.
That was sweet.
Lockers are fun.
Yes. The pickle button.
Pickle button.
Whenever you're in a pickle. Oh, that's a... Woo! Oh, oh.
That's why it's plexiglass.
That's...
Park.
You can't park there, sir. I think you can park there. Dude, how is that thing feel in the woods?
Oh my god, it's a world of difference.
Like, dude, this thing looks planted everywhere.
It's point and shoot. It's almost too easy. Like, it's almost not fun.
Don't worry, we're gonna go down a black trail right now.
Yeah, it's new. We've never been down it. And yeah, it's the day we're leaving, so this will be good.
Ah, here we go. That was fun. The two doors though, they kind of go over stuff like. Nice. Nice moves.
Yeah. Dance right on through. As they say, 24/7. No dramas.
No dramas.
No dramas. No dramas, boys.
I love those guys. 4-wheel drive 24/7. Shout out to you. Ooh.
Yeah, I cut way past here. What's the best way through that?
Through this way.
Okay.
Yeah, so keep it round around the tree and it come.
Start coming down on that side.
As soon as he comes down and he's around the tree, he can come this way.
Cut the wood the other way.
Nice and slow. Yep. Oh yeah. Keep it that way. Yep. Yep. You can even keep it driver a little. Yep. Stay on that. Coming down, passenger. Coming down. Yep. You can come passenger now. Yep. Keep it. Stay hugging this way. So yeah, you're good. You're gonna come down on this one. Coming down. Yeah. Keep it that way. Yep. Nice and straight. Nice and slow, and you got it. Yep. You're gonna start coming down in the rear. You'll be feeling good in a second. Yeah.
Yep. Now turn this way. You're gonna climb up. That's enough. Too much. Start turning back that way a little bit.
Yeah.
Rock sliders. Yep, you're good. Now, Katie, see this rock? Get your driver's tire up. Straight now.
Woo.
Straight now.
She said sorry. It's your Jeep.
I got distracted by this.
Straight. Stay on that line. Then go to the end. See the tire mark? Time.
What was that? Fender flare? Yep. Go a little passenger, or driver, sorry, driver. Yep, good, perfect. Right there. Woo!
Coming down. Gonna come down one more time. There's a rock there, Katie. At least you have skid plates.
Joe's making it look easy. That's the Barney Rubble stuff. This is the
I know where I'm going.
where are you going? You're going down this?
Body damage.
No body left to damage.
Yeah, it's true. I don't know if I want to go down this or not. I'm so.
I'd be turtled on it.
I wouldn't. You'd be turtled? I don't. It's like fine except for the last.
It's not that bad, to be honest. John and I have done worse by accident.
That is true.
I could probably let it crawl and I don't know. This is cool, but it seems more fun for me to go over that stuff. Just.
Yeah, you're doing good. Might drag diff a little bit here.
Keep it straight.
No, you might drag diff a little bit, but you can turn this way. Yep. Nice.
Yeah, keep it pointed straight. Oh, hold on. Yeah, you might got that. Don't spin that back too hard if you can. Yup, yup. Oh, it wants. Oh, yeah. Oh, back it up. That's a valve stem. I got extra.
Alright.
No, yeah, hold on. Hold on. Now come towards me and come up if you can. Yep. I think you can climb that. Nope. Hold on, oh. That sounded like a CV. Let's get a winch on it. And you're just nose diving in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So you almost went over there, Bach, but it felt planted in there?
Yeah, I almost wished it kind of just kicked the ass end over.
What do you see from the outside? It looked pretty sketchy. And yeah, I blew a tower off the bead. We actually blew a valve stem out. Don't worry, I have an extra. Here, you want to, I'll hold it.
Yeah.
Until you're clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, so going down. What is that? It's going to the side. We know what you just did.
I did that on purpose so it would spray the rim better.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
It's a 90-degree spray.
Spray pattern. It's clutch.
Technical cut time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All math in my head.
There you go. You're getting it. Use that side one. There's a little bit of.
Yeah.
This video is sponsored by Poland Springs. We get the job done with water. Yes, sir. Woo! Ba-ba-na, ba-ba-na, ba-ba-na. Yeah, keep it cut this way. Smooth. Yep. Yes, sir. Keep it, yeah, point it a little, yeah, there you go. Nice.
Hard passenger. Nope. 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 Yep. You fell in a hole. Just your flare. You're just touching your flare a little bit. That was a tree. So close.
Winch me!
Winch?
Yeah. Alright.
Every once in a while, you gotta give the old beat down on the XJ.
Oh yeah. Not too hard, not too hard. All pressure on that TV. You want to winch from there? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah. Woo! Yup. That's your front diff on a rock. Yep. Drive ready to come up. Yep. There it is. Clear in the front. Yep. Keep pointed that way. Not that way. Yep. Pop that tire up. Try turning the, yeah, there you go. There. Turn to me, turn to me, turn to me. If he straightens out, it just kicks him right this way. It's already, yeah. Cable?
Well, I guess I'll go that way.
Come this way. Yeah, he's just trying to climb hard on that rock there.
that's what my Jeep looks like.
Yeah, but Joe's.
A little better. I think you want your front end more that way.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah! Oh! She wants it. Yeah, so we all tried this obstacle and we all had to winch. You know, whatever. It happens. Did you? Oh, well, like, oh, because the rock's stuffed under it?
He rammed the pipe right up in it.
Forgot to do an outro at the camp, and luckily enough, Katie got death wobble on the way home, so we were able to stop at this,
Sears Road?
yeah, little patch right here, and what a phenomenal weekend, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, besides the death wobble at the end, you know?
the CV.
The CV, the radiator.
Yeah.
Hey, you're driving home right now.
Yeah, yeah. It's driving.
It's driving on the road. We made it 0.5 miles. But we're onward. We just ratchet strap thing, tie rod thingy stuff.
Yeah, tried to bend it back a little bit.
Yeah.
Still got the stock steering in there, so steel like.
Did you see what she was doing with that stock steering? What
Yeah.
the- Oh my gosh.
Open, stock Jeep. Let her borrow a set of 35s and she's killing it, so.
We need to get you aluminum steering and some other stuff.
More stuff.
Brakes, yeah. Well, thanks for watching, guys.